Can I give you one question? Can I give you one question? Why
Is this done?
Why you on my bed?
I like it. I don't feel like doing it.
Why you on my bed? I'm trying to go sleep. You on my bed?
Because I'm scared. I don't like being in my room by myself. These people say that Jason, he come out this way and he grabbed a knife and he was like, and he said, I feel good. Yeah. He said he liked it though, but I didn't think that. So I stabbed it in the hand and I'm so happy. And I told him, get it out of my freaking face. And I was so mad.
That means you gotta go on my bed?
Yeah. I hate him. I hate him. He is.
Do you hate Hello Neighbor?
Hello, neighbor, fine. Hello, neighbor, my neighbor. He's my neighbor. Yeah, hello, neighbor's my neighbor. He's my neighbor. He's over there. He playing neighbor house. He playing my neighbor. He playing your neighbor game. Better go get him. He playing your next game.
But guess
I'm
what?
playing the new neighbor game. It's on tablet.
You can't get it on your... It's a card. That's a card game.
I like card games.
Just drive, really.
I like driving.
Uh-uh.
Oh, guess what kind of game it is?
What?
Oh, yeah, guys, it's my jail. Yeah, guys, look, I get to choose Nick or Leslie. Yeah.
Leslie.
Guys, look, Nick.
Do you like Lexi?
Guys, I get into my car.
Okay.
Big city, guys.
Bye, guys. Peace out.